Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is 16-month results in a fine-haired 42-year-old that got just about 3,000 grafts. And here is this fellow beforehand. And he's got some hair there, but it's
How old
just...
is he?
I think he's 42 or 43. A little younger than you, I think, right?
Yes.
And he had some hair there, but it was fine, wispy hair. And he's in a position where he has to interact with the public in different lighting situations. And so some lighting he'd look good and some lighting he didn't look so good. And so when he had a month off, we did a hair transplant. Here he is at the end of the case. And then we didn't see him. Maybe we saw him in a month. And then he just showed up when COVID hit and he didn't have any work to do. And so he rolled in here before our office shut down, and he looks fantastic. His hair's darker because it's...
the back of the hair, sun hasn't hit it.
Right, he hadn't been out in the sun.
Yeah.
He's like my kid. His hair bleaches up when he gets out in the sun.
Yeah.
And so he looks good. And if you notice, Wendy, he's got this tuft of hair down here that he had beforehand. And when I drew the plan, which you can see right here, he and I agreed to go above that because he thought he was he's getting older. He thought he was going to lose more hair. And now he wants to lower his hairline. Right?
Yeah, so I think that's a good idea.
And I think within reason he can do that. I mean, he's 42 or 43 and he's going to be 55 like me. He can't have this goofy hairline down here, but he could certainly lower it a 3/4 of an inch, something like that.
Yes.
And we would do that today, except for COVID.
I know. Yeah, that's what he wanted.
Yeah. And so here's a close-up of his scar. Looks really good. And I guess to summarize, 3,000 grafts or so, and a fine-haired guy at 15 or 16 months looks fantastic. And
It looks very natural.
yeah, it looks
I like
unremarkable.
Yeah.
And I think it'll still look unremarkable if we lower his hairline a little bit for him.
Oh, this is the first time I hear you say,
Well,
lower the hairline.
yeah. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.